Hello everybody, welcome back. This is me Gaurav Thakur. Welcome back to my channel Code Crafted. Okay, I hope you all guys are fine. And yep, this video, this is not any tutorial or anything. I am telling you about a software, LMS platform. Okay, which is known as NeuraLearn. You can also go there. And yep, this NeuraLearn is created by me only, okay, and it is a software for learning. If I open my Google Chrome and here type neuralearner.versal.app, so here you can see powered by NeuraX AI, 100% free forever. Yup. Master any subject with intelligence. Yep. And the intelligence is of NeuraX AI and the tutors. The omni learning ecosystem that tracks, analyzes, and guides your trajectories across science, maths, coding, and beyond. Build your intellect entirely for free. Yep, it's entirely free. Everything in it is totally free for right now. All subjects are covered, and you can follow their roadmaps also. Now right now it's very new, so that's why only two courses are right now public. Okay, master fundamentals of universe of mathematics, computer science, and like this. Never get stuck using NeuraX AI. I will be giving you the demo also. This is the site of, okay, and they have and the site is very good. You can see if you go to dashboard, if you're signed in, use, okay, so if you're signed in, then you will see your dashboard. Otherwise you have to sign in, and here you can manage your accounts. Okay, good afternoon. Okay, like this, see, this is the dashboard. Here your courses are seen, like one course is active, that this one is active. If, okay, tasks done 0, okay, module finished, save topics and focus minute. Like this is the focus, like this is given for Pomodoro. Okay, and 25-minute work and 5-minute rest. And here if you can add your task also, like test, add, it would be added at here. Okay, here also, and your deadline also be here, upcoming deadline of your tasks. And you can just here select your course map also. Here many course roadmaps are provided here. Okay, if you don't know about anything that you are trying to learn, you can click and can see their roadmap. You can add custom topics also, and give a status also, jot down notes also about that topic, and resources you can link whenever you need it. Here you can add the target that at that time I have to complete that this roadmap. Okay, so it will tell you how many topics you have to cover per week. Okay, certificates are stored here whenever you complete any your course. Okay, here only it's stored right now. No, like you have no feature to download it. And here you can add your goals also. You can see how active devs, your goals, how many resolved you. Okay, and trending that. If I add a goal like this, something like test, and if I add a tag, test, and here hello, I can publish it like this. I can print it if it's resolved. I like this, and here can bookmark it. I can edit it. Okay, cancel. I can delete it. I can just share it also, and here I can like it also. Can give a threat also, that how much I've done, how much is how much is needed. Okay, like this you can add your task here. Like if I add a testing, and I can select priority like high, and also specify the due date, save task, so you can see it's added it here. Okay, courses, if you go courses, here you can find your category. Like front-end engineering, right now there are two courses. You can click on anyone and can learn it. This course is completed, you can learn it. And this is the ongoing course. Okay, right now I'm making it. Roadmap, I've told you. Certificates, now NeuraXAI, the most important part. It's a copilot for you. I used it very much. And if I had a conversation and say hello, how are you, like this, so like I'm doing well, thanks for asking, like this. Okay, so you can talk it. Notes, you can add your jot down your notes also. Like Gaurav can add like testing. I was adding testing, and I can write note it here. Okay, bye. And I can specify its color also, whichever color I like normal. Okay, I can save it here. I can create its copy also. Okay, paint it, unpin it, and just get a view also, and can sort it also. I can add my resources also, like this only, and save topics also. This is a good platform for learning. It contains many resources for you and only you. Come here, manage your streak, and the streak system I have included in it to just make you like, it's like game. You have to maintain your streak if you want to go to next other level. Okay, so for that you can manage your streak also on pages. And here activity feed I have given, if I complete it, so here completed, like this. I've added the page. Whenever you complete any course, it is done. And yep, here global standards, here heat map is provided for you, 30 days activity, and your recent saves and all, everything. Dashboard is good, and it's all time I will try to update it. Okay, and try to add more feature, making it good in more UI, and adding more feature that help you only. Okay, I hope. Now I'm ending this video. Just a line that here in NeuraLearn you can master any subject. Okay, by watching courses, using the AI, you have many things here. Okay, start learning for free also, and you can give star us on GitHub also. Okay, and now like you see, learn by code crafted. Now bye.